factor of 376. So 376, it can be written as 2 times 188. 2 times 188 means 376. 188, it can be written as 2 times 94. 2 times 94 means 188. 94, it can be written as 2 times 47. 2 times 47 means 94. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 2 and 47. So we can write 376 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 2 times this 47. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.